I. Dog grooming refers to both the hygienic care and cleaning of a dog by which a dog's personal appearance is enhanced. This is a magazine which shows you how a miniature schnauzer is supposed to have its standard grooming. I would like now to introduce to you Gertie, who was taken the to a pet shop and was giving a not so standardized custom grooming for a German Schnauzer. As you can see, her facial hair has been cut very significantly to where it's nearly almost all gone. I would now like to show you a side-by-side comparison of Han Solo, who was taken to a more professional grooming shop, and as you can see, was given the proper cut with the facial hair, having more hairs around the eyebrows, and also the undercoat of the body. You have now seen comparisons of what a German Schnauzer is supposed to look like. Thank you.